Amana point amakakna ina thamjaning base. Mind your own business. Maybe I might sound a little rude when I say this, but it is very, very important that you need to, mind your own business. When we are so busy thinking about what others are doing, mina kay dori mina kay ngangi edo sum nasado adugi potu da busy way lai taragadi nang nasada focus to bigi time leroy development tauge haise koi isagi development. We are not going to develop someone, so we are going to develop ourselves, our personality. So please try focusing on yourself and stop poking your nose on other business or others life. Aduna aina sum khanjaba matamda akoi most of the time even akoi society there's people are very good in finding faults in others, like mi amagi phataba ngangba mi amagi asoiba amakhaktang positive oiba mayam jingdo uraga zu negative oiba pot amkhak uraga de adugi negative oiba pot to hold toraga they stretch so much and then they embarrass the people, the person, and then they hurt the person. So adugumba mi ama hurt honba mi ama embarrass oihalaga noida nungaiba harauba phangiba do adugi mi adugumba kind of mentality duna akoi kemtu chawkhatpa ngamoi nasa su chawkhatloi then society su chawkhatpa ngamoi aduna migi miwe haibase mi nangang thorpa tawthorpa matamda nangna pamba khudimak loinak torkani haiba leite even nangna tawriba khudimak tu su mi na pamni haiba leite ko aduna akhoi gi oinadi akhoi isa se changes tawge haibani na mi na tawriba mayam se loinamak yengadabani loinamak observe ti tawgadabani adugo mi amadugi uthorpa matamda magi personality da khoina uba matamda qualities e mi gi positive oiba qualities e lausan be yaba lausalo huran be yaba huralo moi matau tamba yaba tamjo mi gi positive oiba nangna pame haiba qualities se aduga nangna haiba mi sidagi uthorokpa negative oiba quality myam jingse aduda nangna wakhan khantharaga nangna negative comment piraga or negatively mi dugi image to down tawnaba or hurt tawnaba embarrass oinaba honabe mahutane you simply avoid the negativity which you find from someone else. Try to take the positivity, and of course that's how we learn and that's how we try developing our personality. So kindly stop focusing on someone's faults and stop focusing on someone's business, what other is doing. Focus on yourself. That is also one way of developing our own personality. Societies if we all are like that,